Mind, body, spirit, Cat says.
Mind, body, and spirit. And let me tell you something about spirit. I think finance has to do with spirit. My honest opinion about finance and money is just an energy. And I've been talking to Vanessa a lot about this as we've been preparing this. It's very important what words you let out of your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, oh, I don't know how I'm gonna discuss these bills keep piling up. And it's like, okay, as soon as you say words like that, the universe says, oh, she wants bills to pile up. And so the universe will then reflect the words that you speak. So I'm starting to be very conscientious of what I say. Money is attracted to me, money comes to me, whatever it is that I need financially appears before me. I have all of the abundance in the world around me. I'm appreciative. I honor it. I understand the energy behind it. I understand it's a reflection of who I am, my worth, and my value. And as long as I keep speaking those kinds of words, then the universe hears.